Today we're going to see the second topic for the first unit. Explicit and implicit belief is nothing but beliefs or ideas that is a concept that we consider to be true. In knowledge representation and reasoning, understanding how beliefs are categorized helps in the modern intelligence system. There are broadly divided into two. One is explicit belief and implicit belief. Explicit belief is nothing but facts or knowledge that are directly written or stored in a system. No reasoning or thinking is needed to access them. They are clearly stated. For example, we tell Socrates is a human. How we written in the first order logic means humans of Socrates. And all humans are mortal. How we written in a first order logic means all of x, human of x, mortal of x. They are explicit beliefs because they are directly stored. Implicit belief is nothing but knowledge that is not directly written but can be inferred or figured out using reasoning or logic. Example, using the above explicit belief, Socrates is a human, all humans are mortals. You can infer Socrates is a mortal. That we want to written in first order logic is a mortal of Socrates. This is an implicit belief because it derived from explicit knowledge. Implicit belief is not directly written, and how they work together means explicit and implicit beliefs often work hand in hand in knowledge representation. It is explicit belief is a form the foundation of a system, while implicit beliefs allows the system to reason how they work, how they take the things from explicit. For example, we take an employee salary system. First, explicit beliefs, we give a data, that is a facts. They are directly give the facts. For example, John is an employee, Alice is a manager, Bob works in the finance department. From these information, we can inferring the implicit beliefs that we define the general rule: all employees receive salaries. For that, we write a first order logic: whenever all of x, employee of x, implies a get salary of x. By using these, by step 3, we inferring the things from the implicit beliefs. Using the rule above, we can infer that John is an employee and also he must receive a salary. And since Bob is also an employee, he also must receive a salary. And difference between the explicit belief and the implicit belief is first directly represented in the knowledge base, but in implicit beliefs we want to through inference from explicit belief. Accessibility is nothing but it is stored as logical formula, easy to access, and in implicit it requires a reasoning or inference to uncover. Here the humans of Socrates, already we see the humans of Socrates, all of human of x, mortal of x, all humans are mortal. These things we take of the mortal of Socrates is derived from my explicit belief. There is a dependency, independent stated as a fact or rule, depends on explicit belief and inference rule. Here there is no inference required, here inference is necessary in implicit belief. The importance of explicit and implicit belief is nothing but it provides the core knowledge for reasoning. We know that all humans needs oxygen to survive. This core knowledge helps you reason that if someone is in a place with no oxygen, they might be in danger. Serve as an input for logical operations or algorithm. This means explicit belief acts as a facts or data that computers or humans use to make decisions logically. For example, in A, the self-driving car knows that red light means stop. It uses the knowledge to follow traffic rules. Implicit beliefs helps in decision making by deriving a new conclusion and allow AI system to adapt and learn without requiring explicit programming for every fact. There are types of reasoning to derive implicit beliefs. One is a deductive reasoning and inductive reasoning and abductive reasoning. Here, deductive reasoning is nothing but it's a top-down approach. It starts from a general statement or premise and leads to a specific conclusion. If premises are true, the conclusion must also be true. Example, all humans are mortal and Socrates is a human, therefore Socrates is a mortal. And inductive reasoning is nothing but the bottom-up approach. It starts with a specific observation and derives a general conclusion. This conclusion is probable but not guaranteed. Example, the sun rises in the east every day for thousands of years. Therefore, the sun will rise in east tomorrow as well. Abductive reasoning is nothing but inference to the best explanation. Example: the fact the ground is wet, it must be rained. Let me write the answer for this question. All programmers write code. One is explicit belief and another explicit belief is analyzes the programmer. Then how we write the implicit belief? How the implicit belief can infer from this explicit belief?